Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Commissioner Julie McPeak from the Tennessee Department of Commerce and Insurance, and in that capacity, I have the privilege of serving as the State Fire Marshal. I'm going to welcome all of our media friends and fire prevention partners with us today. I also want to thank the Nashville Fire Department for bringing awareness to a serious and potentially fatal situation. Every year, significant property loss occurs during the holidays due to the improper use of turkey fryers and turkey fryer incidents. I want to talk about how important it is that we partner as the State Fire Marshal's Office with local fire departments, including the Nashville Fire Department. All of our efforts together help address the issue of the scourge of fire deaths in the state of Tennessee. I want to commend the Nashville Fire Department in particular for their continuing efforts in fire safety. And before the demonstration begins today, I'd like to introduce my friend and my Assistant Commissioner of Fire Prevention, the Deputy State Fire Marshal, Gary West.
Yeah.
Thanks, Commissioner. And I want to say I appreciate the Commissioner's support of this fire prevention effort and the Nashville Fire Department for participating also. I want to bring to your attention that over the holiday season, it's very important that we think about fire safety. And one of the programs that we're really trying to push in Tennessee is our smoke alarm program. And so far, we've distributed almost 65,000 smoke alarms across Tennessee at a rate of 320 per week. We have 387 fire departments that are assisting us in doing that, including the Nashville Fire Department. We've been reaching about 130 homes per week, and so far we have documented that we've saved 71 lives. So fire prevention efforts are very important to us, and this demonstration today is just another thing that we want to provide to talk about the safety in our homes. It's my pleasure now to introduce the Fire Chief of the Nashville Fire Department, Chief Ricky White.
Thank you. Once again, I want to welcome everybody to the Nashville Fire Department Training Academy facilities. It is a great honor to partner with the state, with the Department of Commerce and Insurance, Commissioner McPeak, Deputy Commissioner Gary West. I'll piggyback on some of the things that Gary said. There's two things I think that save more lives as relative to fire than anything else. Well, three things. Good housekeeping is one, smoke alarms and sprinklers. Anyway, there are some inherent dangers anytime you're using real hot oil and dumping a frozen turkey into it. You've got physical hazards from the hot oil itself. You've got chemical hazards from the fire. A lot of lay people don't understand that if you inhale this flame into your lungs, at the very least you're going to be suffering debilitating lung ailments and possibly even death. The hot oil can cause second and sometimes even third degree burns. So there's a lot of factors that you must consider when you do this and to do it properly. I think we're ready to fry a turkey, aren't we?
Here we go. Hey, Scott. Hey, Scott, hold on. Now that we've seen what could happen when we try to deep fry a frozen turkey, let me go over a few pointers with you so that we can have a very safe Thanksgiving. Number one, I want to talk about safety. Anytime we deal with fire, we want to make sure that we have all the proper protection and safety equipment needed. In this case, since we're using are talking about frying a turkey, we want to make sure that we have the proper fire extinguisher. That would be an ABC rated fire extinguisher. Also having proper hand protection, fire resistant gloves or mittens or some insulated pot holders. Also, number 2, talk about the turkey. We need to make sure that the turkey is properly thawed inside and out, making sure that it is also dried off. Oil and water doesn't mix, and especially hot oil. Number 3 point, avoid overfilling your pot with oil. The best way to accomplish this is you want to place your turkey in the pot, fill it completely with water. Once the turkey is totally submerged, remove, and then you can mark the inside of the pot where the water line lies. That'll show you the proper amount of oil that's needed. Number 4, we want to find the proper place to actually do the turkey fry. It needs to be outdoors, in a safe location, free from any type of flammable materials, and we want to make sure that the ground is level. Once that is accomplished, now we're ready to start to heat the oil. Number 5, once the oil has reached this proper temperature, rule of thumb 325 degrees, now we're ready to actually start to lower the turkey into the oil. Now this is where most incidents happen. So before we actually lower the turkey into the grease, the first thing we want to do is make sure that we kill the flame. So we turn off the burners. If we have no flame, we have no fire. Once the turkey is completely in the oil and we're ready to continue the turkey fry, we can go ahead then and reignite the burners. Once that's accomplished and the turkey is completely fried, again, remember, turn off the burners, remove the turkey, and then we're ready to start carving it up. And look, if you have any questions about your cooker, always go back to the recommendations of the manufacturer. I am Captain Swan with the Nashville Fire Department. And on behalf of the Nashville Fire Department, we want to wish you a happy Thanksgiving and a very safe one. Thank you.